I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel. I know you guys have missed this face for a while now, and I miss sitting here in front of the camera. I miss it so much because I'm the happiest when I'm doing this. So, yeah, guys, last 2 months have been pretty hectic. We'll get to that. So guys, coming to today's video, I'm going to try and show you the makeup which I would probably wear if I go out. And this year I don't really have any plans, but I can still dress up for myself, and that is what is my actual plan for 31st night. So this is probably I would wear if I went out, and this is probably an idea for you if you are going out. Be safe, precautions first, enjoyment second. But you can still have a little house party at home with your family, and you can still dress up anything. But yeah, I love dressing up, so this is probably something which I would wear if I was going out. So I just wanted to show this to you, and at the same time, rather than more of like a makeup, I want you to concentrate on my chat, because I'm in a super chatty mode today, number one, and number two, it's been a while. We have a lot of things to catch up, have done few firsts in my life which I have to share, not juicy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the So guys, I'm not really going to be concentrating on explaining the products. Rather, I'll place the links down in the description box below so that you can check it out. So yeah, I would rather like to talk because I'm in like a super chatty mood today. So guys, coming to the base, I have kind of moisturized my face a little bit, and my face has broken out in this place, as you can see, which is very uncommon, but okay, we are all okay with that. So I got this product. This is the Becca Skin Love, and this is how it looks like. I got it free with the Becca's highlighter. So I just wanted to try it out. Today is basically trying out like a lot of new products. So yeah, we are gonna be doing that, and we are gonna be talking. And coming to the past 2 months in my life, guys, they have been like so super hectic. I had my supply exams first. As soon as they got over, I had my sem exams, and then as soon as they got over, I had my lab exams. So there was literally like no break, and I completed all those exams in a span of 2 freaking months. I can't even tell you how stressed I was, but there was no other option left. So yeah, I'm just gonna be blending it in. Oh yeah, I had literally zero time to do anything else, and of course the time which I got, I obviously took a lot of rest. And these days, I can't even, I'm sorry if I'm moving out of the frame because like things are a little far from me. So yeah, these days I'm sleeping so much. I can't even tell you how much I'm sleeping these days. All of my exams got over on Sunday. I even had an exam. I even had an online exam on Sunday. So including that, all of my exams got over last Sunday. After which, me and my friends, I'm just applying a little more because I feel like my skin is still a little bit more dry. So yeah, I'll just spread it out. Anyways, so my exams got over last Sunday, literally at 4:15 in the evening. So after that, on Monday, I went on like a weekend, a weekday getaway. I can say on weekday for a 3-day weekday getaway with my friends. So we went to a hotel. I actually vlogged the entire thing. So it should be up anytime soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Probably this will go, I mean, the vlog will go up this Saturday. Hopefully this video will go up tomorrow. So yeah, and then I'm going to be concealing my face using the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer, of course. So there's nothing new in that. So yeah, guys, so I went on a 3-day trip with my friends. I went from Monday to Thursday. I came back on Thursday, and Thursday I had to run to the beauty parlor because my cousins, like my first cousins, like she's the closest person like I know so far in my life who's getting married. So yeah, I had an engagement to attend on Sunday, and I came home on Thursday. I had exams until the Sunday before that. So that was how hectic everything was. So I just ran into the beauty parlor. I got my hair colored, in case you haven't noticed. I had brown hair, brown streaks, which made my complete hair look brown. So I had brown streaks. So I got my hair colored on that is my first. Again, I got my hair touched touched by someone else for the first time. That is my first. And then I got my hair colored by someone else. Like literally, I never got my entire hair colored. The time when my hair was brown, I was just trying out some highlights, and I ended up having entire hair brown. But to be honest, I haven't colored my entire hair at that time as well. But this is the first time I got my entire hair colored. As you can see, it's completely black now. So yeah, I went and got my hair colored, and then I got my facial done, which was like a flop. My face looked even worse after that facial. I could have completely skipped it, but no, I want to try everything. I want to get everything done. So yeah, I got my facial done. Those were my two first. And then the next day, that is on Friday, I had to go back because I wanted to straighten my hair permanently. But what they said was like my hair is too processed and it is kind of weak, and straightening it would damage it even more. So I just skipped it and I just got keratin done. I got keratin treatment. So that is my next first. I got my hair chemically treated for the first time in my life. So yeah, this is how my hair looks right now. As soon as the process was done, it was a lot more straighter. But this is after one wash. I've washed my hair yesterday, so it got a little curly at the ends, as you can see. But my hair is like super smooth and shiny and frizz free right now. Or else my natural hair is like very curly and frizzy, and I use a lot of heat on my hair. Like I can't even tell you. Like especially when I'm doing YouTube, I do videos like at least twice a week, right? Like I used to, at least. So I used to, straighten my hair so frequently that it caused a lot of damage. And on top of that, I colored my hair. So my hair was like a complete mess. These 2 months, I just had like a messy bun. I didn't even leave my hair for once. So that was how damaged, and that made me very, very, very insecure. So yeah, I wanted to get the permanent straightening and keratin done. So they told me that they can't do straightening on my hair, or else it would just make it even more weak. So I just got keratin done. I don't know what, like, if keratin does any damage to my hair, but according to them, what they actually told was keratin was like a protein treatment, so it would not really damage my hair as such. It would rather do all good. So if I just strengthen, like let my hair strengthen and not use any heat or any products on my hair for a little while, then my hair might grow a little stronger, and then my hair can be ready for like the permanent straightening process. Actually even wanted to get highlights, like brown highlights, like 6 to 8 highlights. But my mom, she scolded me so much. She was even so furious when I colored my hair brown. So yeah, I got my hair pure black, which I'm not actually, this hair I don't know if you can tell, but in reality it is just a little brown. First when I got it done, it was literally like those what do I say, those wigs black. It was looking so fake. I almost freaked out. I got so scared. Like I would look like a I don't know how do I even describe it. Like I would look like that. But after keratin, it got 2 shades lighter. So right now I'm okay with my hair. But yeah, it was another first that my chemically treated my hair for the first time ever. And that was again like a 2-day process. So if you want to know how I got it done, it is basically not a very huge process, I can say. The first day I went They washed my hair, they applied some cream, waited for 30 minutes, and then they just straightened it using like a straightening iron. And then I had to go back the next day. They ironed my hair again and just washed it. What they said was it is gonna last, my hair is gonna stay straight for at least 10 washes. After that it's gonna start curling up. Smoothing is gonna last lot longer. If you can see, they are like super shiny, or I don't know if you can see them properly on camera, but yeah, they are like so super shiny. And yeah, that is how my chemical treatment went. And now I'm going to be trying out the Makeup Revolution palette. I got this from Hawk Makeup. It's okay. If you have seen my vlog, you probably would know this for the first time. I'm going with this green color because it matches my dress. Just an experimental look. If it's not gonna turn well, ignore. But yeah, it was for like, it was like a 2-day process, and that is my another first. And my another first related to my body again are my nails. So I got my first ever nail extensions. These are like, oh my god, these are like the acrylic nail extensions, and I got these like ombre finish because I have been eyeing on these for a while. If you can see properly, this hand has stained a little bit. It has turned a little yellow. I'm just using the green color. So yeah, at first when they applied, I was like, why are they charging so much for this? Like, it's not even worth it, and I'm never ever coming back. So, but as I was seeing the process, you know, even the person who was doing that to me was so after every time she was like, I'm like, दीदी खत्म हो जा रहा, जल्दी कर दो. Literally guys, oh my god, even like she was so tired doing my nails. I was feeling more tired, like even looking at her, you know. Even like I did a vlog, that the getaway vlog. It was kind of like a refreshing thing because I have only been sitting at home for the past 2 months, and I will be sitting at home until my college starts again, because you know the cases in my neighborhood and with my friends and their parents have been increasing quite a lot. So I'm so super scared, and I don't want to put myself nor my parents at risk by any chance. So this is how my green eyes have turned out. I would like to clean this brush and just put like a black shadow at the ends, because I feel like this is too blank, and I'm just going to like subtly, like super subtly, I'm going, if subtly is a term, I'm just going to be adding this and just blending it in. So basically I'm now that I've started, I'm going for like pretty bold eyes, and I'm going to keep my lips pretty neutral. Or you know, actually I bought a new lipstick from like a local store. So we went to buy bindis from there, and I ended up buying a few makeup products which were like so super cheap. I don't know about their quality. Wow, I ruined the sign. I don't know about the quality, but like the look wise and the way they worked, it was pretty promising. So yeah, I would like, if it does no damage to me, I'm just going to like go back and buy more stuff from there, because they were like, what, for 150-200 rupees. I'm going to be taking like a brown shadow. I have another eyeshadow palette here just in case. I have the Maybelline's Nudes palette, and I'm going to be taking this brown shade here, and I'm just going to be applying it on my crease. I got my nails done, and then my cousin's wedding, that is my my father's own sister's daughter's wedding was on Sunday. So I quickly came. I was so tired with all the, like, as soon as the exams got over, we went off on a trip. So basically even there we hadn't really rest took a lot of rest. So you know, it was just like what do I say? Everything was happening so quickly, one after the other. Like, there was no time for anything. And finally, I got free yesterday. Like, literally yesterday. And yesterday, I took an entire day of rest. Like, I didn't even wake up from my bed. I didn't even take Louis out for a walk. Like, literally, that is how tired I was, and that is how badly I wanted to rest. So yeah, I'm going to contour my face. I'm not going to be applying any blush or anything as such. Using the Makeup Revolutions palette, nothing new. Actually, I'm planning to buy like a new contour kit, LA Girls Pro Conceal, so that I can try it out. And actually, I have to even buy like I'm even planning to buy like this Max foundation. So do let me know, like, if there's like any better affordable foundation, if you guys find, so I can actually try it out. So yeah, that is how my holidays have been. And I have been eating like a lot of food these days. Like, I know this is like so super random, but I just wanted to say it out. I'm eating so much junk, and I have actually gained a lot of weight. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I think I haven't weighed myself and actually checked, but I can literally sense it, you know. I can literally sense how much weight I might have gained. How much weight I've actually gained, you know. Or else, let me just put a little blush. I don't know. Like, this eye is kind of ruined at the end, but we are going to ignore that for now. Then I even got this it says it's a bronzer, but it's actually like a really nice golden highlighter. So I even got this one from that local store. It was a bit expensive. It was for like 350 rupees or something, but the color is like so gorgeous. If you can see, it is so gorgeous, and it adds such a nice look. Like, see, did you see that? I wish I bought like a nice brush. I'm too lazy to even get up, so I'm just gonna be using this one. Oh my god, how pretty is this one, if you can see. Oh my god, I'm loving this highlighter. I'm living for this highlighter. Actually, it is so pretty. Oh my god, color is like so good, and for my tone it looks perfect. And I'm sure, you know, the people who are a little on a like deeper skin tone than even mine would absolutely look so stunning on you guys. And I'm just going to be highlighting my nose a little bit, the upper lip, the chin, and the forehead a little bit. And I'm also be going to my inner corners with this highlighter. Oh my god, I'm loving this highlighter like so much, I can't even tell you. And yeah, in between all of this, I even went to shop for my cousin's wedding. I even actually made a get ready with me video for that, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to upload it or not. If I don't upload it, I'll make sure to insert the picture somewhere here, because I loved the lehenga which I actually got for that one. And yeah, this is pretty much the makeup I'm planning to do. And coming to the lips, as I told you, when I went there, I actually bought this lipstick. It doesn't have a brand. It says FC on it, and it is like a lip gloss. It is like a really nice brown color lip gloss. So yeah, wow, like just look at the color. God, I'm living this color. Like, wow. I'm just going to quickly pop on my false lashes and be back. So guys, I popped on some lashes, and this is my completely look. I don't think it's that bad. It's actually so much nicer than I've actually thought it would be, because there was literally no thought into this look. It came so organically. And personally, I'm not at all a makeup guru. I'm not a pro at it. I'm not even close to pro at it. I'm still learning. I'm still in the first stage. I love makeup, so someday I wish to ace it. Anyways, so yeah, even this time I actually even wanted to do like a New Year outfit, so it would make no sense if I upload on 31st. So I'm just skipping it for now, but I promise you there are gonna be a lot more videos coming your way in 2021. Probably this is the last video of the year, so I would like to say a few things. I'm really thankful um to my own self, because I opened a YouTube channel, and I'm really happy and proud of myself. Not only about me, you have to be proud of yourselves even for the little minute things that you might have done for yourself, the people around you, or to make anything good, let it be you or your others. Like, always prioritize yourself first. That is the first and the most important thing that I've actually learned in 2020, and I would love to carry it to 2021 as well. I will take few resolutions this year which will improve myself and which will make me a better person and nothing else. 2021 is going to be the year in which I'm going to work hard. I'm going to make myself happy and the people around me happy, and prioritize myself first, and only good things and good people. I'm glad I eliminated bad people from my life. I'm just happy for who all are there in my life. Just at such a happy place in my life, and I wish to be like this forever and ever. Sorry if I'm looking here, because I'm just deviated and I'm just checking my makeup. Anyways, so yeah, that is what 2021 is gonna be for me. I would love to know what all resolutions are you taking for 2021 in the comment section below. So yeah guys, that is all for today's video. It was so great catching up, basically talking to myself. So yeah, I'm planning of making more vlogs in 2021, be more regular, and just make my YouTube grow. So yeah, in case you have stuck until now, thank you so much for listening to my blabber. And yeah, if you like such chit chatty videos, do let me know down in the comment section below. I'd be happy to do them. And I'm really sorry for all the weird noises, because I'm shooting at like the evening time and everyone is down playing, and it is so hot in this room. I had to switch on the AC, and also everything, all the noises are coming from here and there. I'm really sorry for that. And that is all for today's video guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, because that would mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to do more such videos. I would be happy to do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.